Hey guys, we know that the Galaxy S24 series are coming very soon. The phone launched in 17 January 2024 and we know almost everything about the Galaxy S24 series, and this is the clear 3D art for the Galaxy S24 series. Thanks for Arena to sharing this beautiful 3D art for the Galaxy S24 series. For Arena are sharing the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra 3D art. S24 and S24 Plus design are similar. First talk about the Galaxy S24. The left one is the Galaxy S24 and the right one is the Galaxy S23, and as you can see that all the phone design almost similar, just camera lens are slightly bigger and the speaker grill also changed and it look like Galaxy S9. Let's move on the Ultra variant. The left one is the Galaxy S24 Ultra and right one is the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and as you can see that the Galaxy S24 Ultra camera sense are slightly bigger and the speaker grill also changed too, and this is the front side of the Galaxy S24 series, and we already know that the Galaxy S24 family come with 2500 nits peak brightness, so all the devices are too much brighter. All the devices come with dynamic AMOLED display. The Galaxy S24 come with 6.1 inch and Galaxy S24 Plus come with 6.65 inch and the S24 Ultra come with 6.8 inch display. And the rumor also say that the Galaxy S24 Ultra come with titanium frame, and this is the front and back side, and as you can see that the phone look like so much premium. And the S24 Ultra not come with completely flat display, it have a slightly curved edges. And also the Galaxy S24 Ultra come with beautiful 4 color. And the last video I am also talking about the Galaxy S24 Ultra, all the details. Check this video, and if you found this video informative, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.